they need to stop coming out with these good stuff. Like every time I try something, it ends up being so good and I'm like, oh my god, this is gonna be my new favorite. But there's so much shit. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've been doing pretty well. So for today's video, I have a bunch of new stuff, a bunch of goodies in front of me. Specifically, the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. This is the star of this show, okay? I know I just did a review on a foundation a couple of weeks ago, but look, this is how it is. When I see a new product that comes out and I'm excited about it, I'm gonna review it. Best believe it's gonna be reviewed. So if you don't like reviews, I'm sorry. If you do, well, you're at the right place. But today we're gonna be mainly reviewing the new Morphe Filter Effect Foundation. It looks like this. This is the packaging. I picked up the shade Rich 28. This is available at Ulta right now, online and in stores. It actually launches on the 16th, I believe, of February on Morphe.com and in their stores. But if you want to snatch it up like as soon as possible, go to Ulta. All the shades are there. So this is a shade that I picked. So if you're interested in seeing the look that I end up creating and how the new Morphe foundation works, how I feel about it, my thoughts, my review, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. This foundation is retailed at $20. It is infused with hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and glycerin. So it has a lot of skincare aspects to it, which I am kind of interested in. I like stuff like that. The coverage is supposed to be medium to full, so it's buildable. But when I saw the launch of this foundation, first of all, let's talk about the face of the foundation, or the face of the campaign. Makeup Shayla. I love Makeup Shayla. I've been watching her since I was like 14, 15 years old. I remember when she came to Atlanta. That was my first influencer I ever met. I went to Perimeter Mall, and when I went to I think she was like doing a meet and greet with Makeup Forever. Y'all, I died. Like, that's when I was like, all right, this is what I gotta do. This is what I wanna be. This is my career. This is what I want to do for the rest of my life. Makeup Shayla is the face of this campaign, and Danessa Myrick's beautiful, talented woman who actually shot the campaign and did her makeup and also has her own brand. So kudos to Morphe and this collab and making it basically all black content creators. That is amazing, so I'm super happy about that. This is how the actual foundation looks like. Like I said, I got the shade Deep 28. I'm gonna go ahead and color correct like I usually do. So I'm just gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and if I look down, I have a mirror down here. Just gonna go ahead and color correct a little bit. So I've been using setting spray as my primer, and then I'm gonna spray again after I do the foundation and concealer, all my liquids, and then I'm gonna spray again last time at the end. I've been doing that the last couple times I've done my makeup, and my makeup has been locked. I'm talking about locked, okay? So that's a new technique I've been doing lately. Hold on, I'm gonna take my earrings out because there's no way I'm gonna be able to do this with this on. But if you're looking for a way to keep your makeup like locked, if you have oily skin, or if you get laugh lines, or if you just want your makeup to last literally all day, especially with us wearing masks, try doing that technique with the setting spray. It's been working wonders for me. Just gonna go ahead and apply the foundation now. It is a pump. We gotta love a pump. So like I said, I was able to see the shades in store. They had a couple of the shades out, but they do have all of them at Ulta if you wanted to go see which shade you would be or pick it up. And it also came, if you purchased the foundation, you also got a free brush, the Morphe E63 brush, which they actually launched with this foundation. It looks like this. It's like a flat angled foundation brush. I thought it was very cool. So, and it's really nice that you get a free one. I'm gonna use a brush that it came with, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend this foundation out. You know, I actually really like this foundation brush. I thought I was gonna be like, what kind of shape is this, like, you know? But I actually really like it. This is how my skin is looking after my first application. I will definitely say I don't think it is full coverage. It's definitely medium, but I'm pretty sure if you wanted to build it up, you could make it full. So that's why it's called medium to full. As far as the consistency of the foundation goes, it's a natural finish. I don't think it's matte at all, but I don't think it's too glowy, if that makes any sense. So it's definitely a natural finish. Like, you can still see I have some like sheen to my face, but I don't look like I'm sweating or greasy or anything like that. It just looks like your natural skin. If you use me as a shade reference, Deep 28 or Rich 28, excuse me, is the one that you need to get, because it's pretty spot on. So I'm gonna add one more pump, see how it builds up, and we will go from there. All right, so this is how the face is looking. I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer on. I'm gonna use the Milani concealer. I don't think I've used this in a while, but this is a very, very good drugstore concealer. It's the Milani Conceal and Perfect. And I'm just gonna use my beauty sponge to blend that out. I'm gonna start with my forehead. Alright, so I've gone ahead and done my concealer, and now I'm gonna bronze using my Mented Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Yacht Life. It looks like this, such a beautiful bronzer. And we're just gonna go ahead and add some color to the face. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana Setting Powder. All right, I went ahead and powdered, and this is what the face is looking like. I think that it looks, it actually looks very, very flawless. Like, I'm shook. Like, I'm looking at the mirror in front of me that I have, and I'm also looking at the camera, the viewfinder thing, and my skin, like, it just looks so good. And I mean, I have decent skin, but there's just certain foundations that you use when your skin just looks like the purest of silk, and that's what my face looks like right now. And I haven't put any setting spray or anything. Usually when you have powder in your face, your skin would look a little too dry, but this looks amazing. But just so I can make sure all the powders and everything is all melted into my skin, I'm gonna take my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and just spray all of that. Went ahead and put my earrings back on. I just don't like doing my foundation when I have earrings on. It's just, it gets in the way. I make sure I like to get everything blended down my neck. So I got those back on to feel cute again. But my skin looks so good. Like, this, it looks great. Like, my face looks amazing, and I don't have anything else to say. I really don't. Let me go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and I will be back on to close out the rest of this video. Where am I gonna go? Like, I don't wanna be in the house. I look too good, I look cute. I got a little cute shirt on, got my earrings on, my face is done. Like, what am I gonna do now? I gotta do something. We are finished with the face. I just did something very simple on the eye, threw on a lip, put some blush and highlighter on. So, yep, this is the finished look. And look, let me tell you, this foundation, it is hitting, okay? I'm looking at the viewfinder over there, and my face looks good. It looks great. It actually took me a minute to do my makeup. It took me way longer than usual because there was just a bunch of stuff going on. So honestly, I started filming this around, I'll say 12:30, and it's about to be 3 p.m. So this foundation has been on my face for almost 2 hours, and it looks great. 2 hours is not a lot of time, obviously, but usually I'm oily, so by now things will start to settle in just a little bit, but it looks just like I put it on, and I freaking love it. Like I love the way my skin looks. It doesn't feel heavy. It's very lightweight. The coverage is perfect. You guys know I love a good medium to full coverage. I'm not really a fan of super duper full coverage foundations. The color selection is amazing. There's 40 shades. Like I said, it's at Ulta in stores, and you'll be able to get it on Morphe and at Morphe stores on the 16th of February or the 14th or 16th, something like that. And as for the brush goes, I actually enjoyed using this brush. It's a very interesting shape. Not what I'm used to, but it actually applied the foundation really, really well. I was able to apply it, as you guys saw, just like this, and blend it out. So I like this brush a lot, and you could get it for free right now if you buy the foundation at Ulta. So go get it. I hope this helped you figure out whether you would like this foundation or not. In my opinion, I think it's a great foundation. I have oily combination skin. I think this foundation will work great for people who have oily skin. I think this foundation will work great for people who have dry skin. So I think it's gonna work well for any type of skin that anyone has, honestly. And the fact that it has skincare in it is just another plus. So I love that so much. This is a good launch. Morphe, you did great. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Like this video if you love reviews and if you want more content. Comment down below and let me know what else you guys want to see, if there's any new launches that are coming out. You guys know I love a good launch. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Have an amazing day. Mwah. Bye.